Hi guys, welcome back to my channel,
Welcome back.
Bros. And we got 4 packs to open. So we got 2 Sun and Moon Guardians Rising and 2 Sword and Shield. Darkness Ablaze.
We'll be opening up 2 each, Darkness Ablaze and Sun and Moon Guardians Rising, which they're okay. They're not the best. But anyhow, we got 4 booster packs to open for you guys today. So let's get to it. You want to open you one first?
Yeah, I'll get the Sun and Moon going first.
Oh, same artwork. Alright.
How do you open these?
Just peel it.
We got Tapu Coco.
There you go.
Is the artwork. My favorite. What's your favorite Tapu name? Or Guardian of the Islands? Let us know in the comments down below. Tapu Coco, Tapu Lele, Tapu Fini, and Tapu Bulu. Actually, it has no opinion.
Mine both had the same artworks. This is a booster pack.
And I'm gonna open mine. Let's hope it has a different artwork.
Nope.
What's rigged with these packs?
Alright.
Giving us
Except
the
for that
same
one, huh?
artworks.
Alright.
Yeah.
So which one you want to start with? Go ahead and show.
I'll start with the Sun, Moon, Burning, Guardians Rising. Okay, I couldn't open this, I already tried. Nope.
Here you go.
Okay.
You want to show them the code? Right. Alright.
There you go. I'm gonna shuffle. Dad, you can go ahead and open yours. Fairy Energy, Alolan Graveler, Hala, Cornelly, Litwick, Patrat, Alolan Geodude, Gligar, Bellsprout, Reverse Hollow Honchkrow. The rare is a Warlord. I still think the best pull is this Honchkrow since it's reverse hollow, but it's a rare too.
Alright. I'll do Guardians Rising.
And guys, I got something to show you in one of my tins. That's pretty cool. I just found it yesterday. Should we have brought scissors? What was up with that pack?
Alright. Code. Card trick. Did the card trick and Fire Energy. Trainer. Bellsprout. Alolan Sandshrew. Got Reverse Hollow. Choice Band.
And the rare is
Wishcash. Alright.
Please have something good. Angel Darkness Ablaze.
I'll help you. There you go. Good job. Also, to help you out a little bit too, and the viewers, if you just show the cards and flip them like this instead of looking at them first before you show them. Just a little tip. Alright, thanks buddy. He's doing the card trick.
Steel Energy. Trainer. Vibrava. Sincere.
Sincere.
Pensage.
All Pensage, yeah.
Mareep. That's not Gramble, that's Snubble. Almost got that wrong. Tauros. It looks like a rare. Rookity. What the heck?
Alright, so reverse hollow.
I forgot his name. Shelmet. Ooh. My rare is this hollow? No, it's not a non-hollow Dracozote. It's still cool even though it's non-hollow.
Alright guys, last pack.
Please have something good.
It's a Sword and Shield Darkness Ablaze. Same as his. We'll show the code card last. Card trick. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Please be something good.
Electric Energy. No, yeah, it is Vibrava. Vibrava. Gothlatelle. No, Gotharita. That wrong. Trainer. Rookity.
Another Rookity. Wishy-washy.
Pensage.
Tauros
Another
again.
Tauros. Reverse. Nope. There's a Diglett. Here's the reverse. Pretty cool. Cuffit. And a Wigglytuff.
Dang it.
So these 4 packs were sort of a bust. Nothing cool. But that's it, guys. We just wanted to get on here and do another video for you guys. It's been a week since we uploaded last, so we figured we'd open up a few packs for y'all. So we got 4 packs in. We do have more packs to open, and we still have the Vivid Voltage booster box that we want to open up. So, you know, as soon as we can get 200 subscribers, we'll open that up. Well, for now, we're hanging on to it. We'll have more videos coming. We'll try to upload at least once a week. If we can do more than that, we'll do more than that. So here's the last code, too. We didn't show it yet. If you guys want that, interested in it, there you go. All right. You want to say anything before we get off?
Yeah. Please like, subscribe, comment. It really helps me out. And I bet you all want to see what's in that Vivid Voltage booster box. So until then.
And if you want more, also, booster box openings and things like that, you know, let's just subscribe. Like the channel.
Bye, guys.